we're going to talk about rain and where the rain comes from, what the rain does, and what we wear in the rain. We're even going to do a project all about rain. Do you know it rains a lot during springtime? And the rain comes from the clouds and it falls down. When it rains, we must use an umbrella when we go outside. The umbrella keeps us dry. Umbrellas come in big sizes and small sizes for children. The rain is very important. When it rains, it gives water to the leaves, the trees, and even the flowers. They're all so thirsty. And when it rains, we have to make sure to dress up to stay dry. When it rains and we go outside, we have to wear a rain jacket. We even have to wear rain boots to keep our feet dry. You can even wear a hat on your head to keep your head dry. Today we're going to make a project all about rain. First, we're going to make rain with a spray bottle. Maura and Karen put blue paint with water inside the spray bottle. And we're going to make it rain. I'm going to squeeze the bottle. Let's see what color it will be. Wow, everything is getting wet. We have to stay dry. Let's make sure to use an umbrella. Maura and Karen cut a plate in half. Now I use the pipe cleaner in the back to make my umbrella. Now I can decorate it with all the colors I like. I'm going to make a polka dot umbrella and make all the different colors like the rainbow. You can even use tissue paper if you don't have a spray bottle to pretend it's rain. And if you don't have tissue paper, you can use paint. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Toddler one wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. It was so much fun learning about the rain with you guys. I hope you can do the projects and I can't wait to see them.